What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a HelloFresh unboxing with you guys. Already opened the box, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I got. We have a family of 2 to 3 people pack going on right now. This is what I've lowered down to. I used to have the family of 4, and I decided just to do a family of 2 because I get so much stuff. Sometimes I really do, I love it, but I do get a lot of produce from HelloFresh and I do not use everything, so I could try to downsize my portion. So this is the meals I've got this week: chicken mushroom crumble with basmati rice. The next one here is smoky barbecue chicken with cheesy mash and garlicky green beans. And we got double this card for some reason. And then lastly, I have a penne beef ragu with cheesy garlic bread. Okay, so sometimes they give you multiple printouts of the recipe cards, but yeah, and I do like to staple those and keep those in a safe place when I discard the box. So with this, I'm gonna open. I've already opened this box. This bag. It has all the frozen and fridge stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what I've got this month. I've got this spicy bacon, if it will focus. Spicy bacon rashers. And we have here chicken thighs, diced. Also creme fraiche. Next, I have this creme fraiche, 30% fat. What's next in here? I see another creme fraiche. Right, so it could be for different things. Obviously, they'll give you exactly what you need in your box every week. Then I have some cheese. I love these cheese. Sometimes if I don't need to use them, I don't, because I like to use them for another day. I love getting feta as well from HelloFresh. They give you so much stuff, different brands and stuff that we've never tried. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this one. And what's next? We've got some chicken thighs with the skin off and boneless. So, and you can sometimes choose different meat. If you don't want chicken, you can get beef or something else. Not for every recipe, but you can definitely look on the website or on the app. You can see where your options are. And then I have some beef mince. It's trying to fall out my hand for some reason. So I've got some beef mince and a couple cheeses down here. And you also get like bags with ice to keep everything cold for you. So those will be going in the freezer or in the fridge where they need to be. In the meantime, I'm going to show you guys. Oh, let's take that out. Garlic just fell onto my bed, so let's forget about the garlic for now. We got some bread. I've got like traditional sourdough cob or cob. I hope I'm saying that right. Cob, you know. Then I see a ciabatta square roll. So I'm needing that for my recipes. So I'm really gonna try and make sure these don't go off. Maybe I'll do these recipes first. And yeah, get them out of the way. I did order a recipe that I'm going to be doing on my video. So look out for that. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see me cooking anything from my HelloFresh meals. Okay, so yeah, I'm excited to be doing that because I love cooking and I just like sharing. And you guys need to taste HelloFresh meals because they do taste good. So yeah, HelloFresh provides everything in each bag. So what you do, you can look at the bag number. This is bag number 1, I think. And then you look for the recipe card that has the same number, right? So in here, I'm just going to show you a couple bags. We have the basmati rice in here. So I'm guessing that's for the chicken and mushroom crumble recipe. And we have a mushroom in here. We've got the panko breadcrumbs, which is needed for the crumble. We got some chives, onion, and I think that garlic that ran on the bed was for it as well. And we've got some chicken stock. So make sure that you either look it will keep these things in the same bag, or make sure when you store in it, you actually, or it doesn't really matter anyways, because everything is at the back of the cards what you need. So whether you store it away or keep it in the bag, it is still there in the ingredients bit, what you need to put in your recipe, and all the important information and nutritional information. So let's see if I can find the bag with, yes, so this is what I'm going to be making on my channel if you want to see me make this beautiful breakfast here. So we got peanuts. Yeah, I'm not going to tell you guys what I'm making, but we have some peanuts, beautiful pancakes, tomatoes, I see lime, this looks like honey or maple syrup, some vinegar, balsamic, got avocado in here, so I'm going to make sure I take these out so they don't go off. And I see here peanut butter. Yeah, I'm so excited to be making this meal, so please stick around if you want to see my recipes or me cooking. I'm trying out these recipes that HelloFresh said that they have online, and it's bomb, and we're gonna try it out because, yeah, we want to see if they're speaking facts. So this next bag has, this looks like, yeah, this is Wild Rockets. And what's next? Pasta, so the penne pasta. I see some chili flakes here. Stock, beef stock. This is definitely for the ragu. And we have balsamic vinegar again. And I have so much of these, which I love saving for rainy days. Chopped tomatoes. This one has basil in it. Sometimes you get ones with onions or just plain chopped tomatoes, plum tomatoes. You get different types from HelloFresh. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the last bag down here because, yeah, we know what's in there. We know it's gonna be the potatoes and stuff for this recipe right here. So let me know if you want to see, as I said one more time for the last time, if you want to see me cook anything from HelloFresh, or if you want to see any more unboxings, if you want to get a free box, because I do give away free boxes sometimes, but you have to be in Europe or the UK, and then you can get a chance to get a free box. Sometimes I give away 4 free boxes, so make sure you subscribe to find out when. Share my videos with anybody that's interested in HelloFresh. If you live in the UK or wherever you live in Europe, we might be having the same kind of meals. But if you guys are interested in any more videos, make sure you subscribe and let me know what you want to see next, okay? Hope you enjoyed this video, and I love to see you again. Bye guys, take care.